Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Pinataob ng Los Angeles Clippers ang Denver Nuggets 109-104. Top performer si Norman Powell sa likod ng kanang 37 points, 3 rebounds at 1 steal. Nikola Jokic 41 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Panalo naman ang Miami Heat kontra sa Charlotte Hornets 114-106. Top performer si Jimmy Butler sa likod ng kanyang 26 points, 8 rebounds, 8 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. LaMelo Ball 27 points, 8 rebounds, 7 assists at 1 steal. Panalo din ang Boston Celtics kontra sa Detroit Pistons 124-118. Top performer si Jason Tatum sa likod ng kanyang 37 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Jaden Ivey 26 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 steal. Tinambakan naman ng Cleveland Cavaliers ang Washington Wizards 135-116. Top performer si Donovan Mitchell sa likod na kanang 30 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists at 4 steals. Bilal Coulibaly 23 points, 6 rebounds at 1 assist. Tinambakan naman ng Oklahoma City ang Chicago Bulls 114-95. Top performer si Jalen Williams sa likod na kanang 24 points, 9 rebounds at 8 assists. Zach LaVine 22 points, 9 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Pinataob naman ng Memphis Grizzlies ang Orlando Magic 124-111. Top performer si Santi Aldama sa likod ng kanang 22 points, 7 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 block. Franz Wagner 23 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Panalo naman ang Minnesota Timberwolves kontra sa Toronto Raptors 112-101. Top performer si Julius Randle sa likod ng kanang 24 points, 9 rebounds at 5 assists. Grady Dick 25 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists at 1 steal. Huwagi naman ang San Antonio Spurs kontra sa Houston Rockets 109-106. Top performer si Victor Wembanyama sa likod na kanang 29 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist at 3 blocks. Jalen Green 29 points, 6 rebounds at 5 assists. Panalo din ang Phoenix Suns kontra sa Dallas Mavericks 114-102. Top performer si Kevin Durant sa likod ng kanang 31 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Luka Doncic 40 points, 10 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Pinataob naman ng Los Angeles Lakers ang Sacramento Kings 131-127. Top performer si LeBron James sa likod ng kanyang 32 points, 14 rebounds, 10 assists at 1 block. Domantas Sabonis 29 points, 12 rebounds, 10 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of October 27, 2024. Boston Celtics 3 wins 0 loss. Cleveland Cavaliers 3 wins 0 loss. Atlanta Hawks 2 wins 0 loss. Orlando Magic 2 wins 1 loss. New York Knicks 1 win 1 loss. Milwaukee Bucks 1 win 1 loss. Miami Heat 1 win 1 loss. Indiana Pacers 1 win 1 loss. Chicago Bulls 1 win 2 losses. Toronto Raptors 1 win 2 losses. Charlotte Hornets 1 win 2 losses. Brooklyn Nets 0 win 2 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 0 win 2 losses. Washington Wizards 0 win 2 losses. Detroit Pistons 0 win 3 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of October 27, 2024. Los Angeles Lakers 3 wins 0 loss. Oklahoma City 2 wins 0 loss. New Orleans Pelicans 2 wins 0 loss. Golden State Warriors 2 wins 0 loss. Phoenix Suns 2 wins 1 loss. Memphis Grizzlies 2 wins 1 loss. Minnesota Timberwolves 2 wins 1 loss. Dallas Mavericks 1 win 1 loss. Los Angeles Clippers 1 win 1 loss. San Antonio Spurs 1 win 1 loss. Houston Rockets 1 win 2 losses. Sacramento Kings 0 win 2 losses. Denver Nuggets 0 win 2 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 0 win 2 losses. Utah Jazz 0 win 2 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 28, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ng Philadelphia 76ers at Indiana Pacers alas 3:30 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Milwaukee Bucks at Brooklyn Nets alas 6 ng umaga. Magharap naman ang New Orleans Pelicans at Portland Trail Blazers alas 6 ng umaga. Magharap din ang Atlanta Hawks at Oklahoma City alas 7 ng umaga. Magtutos naman ang Los Angeles Clippers at Golden State Warriors alas 8:30 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.